Hey guys, welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you very quickly how to fix Windows 11 search bar not working. Okay, so for some people the search bar is not working, so as you can see I have one hidden, but if I turn it on, this is the search box, and as you can see it's working just fine for me, but it may not work for you. So the solution to fix it is going to be going to our services. Open up this window, make it bigger so that you see more. And now in the list you just want to scroll down to the bottom and find Windows Search, this service right over here. And now basically right click, go to Properties, and just make sure that the startup type is set to manual or automatic. And also you want to go ahead and try stopping this service and then starting it again, and then rebooting your computer, and now hopefully your issue will be fixed. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you like our channel and our videos, and if this video helped you particularly, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more comprehensive and fast tutorials. We also help with the whole bunch of stuff in regards to different things in our channel, so if you're interested, subscribe, and I will see you very soon in the next one.